Hey YouTube, here is a bike check from my PureFix Papa. It's a 54 centimeter frame. That's from the bottom bracket up to the seat post plate where the seat goes. PureFix cycles. They come with Ori grips. If you want to get it extra color, then it'll be an extra $5 on PureFix's website. It comes with a front brake, but I recommend getting a back brake if you're not going to be skidding. I skid, just not too much. It comes with single speed and fixed gear. This seat that it comes with sucks. I'm going to be getting the fixation pilot seat once it's in stock at PureFix's website. It has a zoom seat post. It's really nice. It doesn't come with these lights. I actually bought them at the bike shop I go to. It comes with a 44 tooth Lasco crank. 50 millimeter PureFix DBs. It's a steel frame. They come with riser bars. Black stem. Radius brakes on both sides. Kenda 28C tires. It comes with the chain tensioners, so you can keep your chain tight. On the PureFixes, one spoke will always be the color of the lip. Unless the rim is black, then it will be a white one. So that's pretty much it. Got it at Piddler's West in Van Nuys. These lights are really bright. Alright, so rate, comment, subscribe. And also comment if you want me to do a bike check for the Fit aitken too.